Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing snow shoveling simulator. So anyways, I have 4,208 and snow. I only have a little bit, but that's fine. So I'm just going to go here. Oh, okay, so I already have my max. So I'm trying to get up to a vehicle. You could tell I'm saving some money. I mean, people say not to waste your money on extra stuff for snow to get snow. But you know, I feel like I need it, which I did need it. Okay, so now I'm going to go through the snow. I'm just going to go like this. And it gets snow so fast, guys. Yeah, I got a badge. See guys, look how fast this is. It only been a minute and 48 seconds. Guys, I want to go this way. I don't know why, but people say it's better to just like go the path that has like to its place to sell all the snow. They say it's better. I'm gonna try to find every time the what is it? Oh, every present, because I really want to find all the presents. Probably won't be able to, but I'm gonna stay in this path for now. Okay. Like so. Okay. Cause look how much snow like the trucks can carry. That's a lot of snow and okay. I'm trying to shovel all the snow. The present is falling. 3. There's the present. There's the present. There's the present. There's the present. There's the flippy floppy present. I'm surprised nobody's getting the present. Okay, well, somebody could have gotten that present, but you know, I already got it, so I'm not complaining. I know. Okay. Eat. I have 5,000 and I have 2, so you get like almost $300 each time you shovel all the snow. It's not bad, but it's weak. So I'm gonna see what they have in here. I don't know why, guys. I keep on wasting my money. Should I buy it? I'm gonna buy it. Okay, pretty sure I equipped it. We are doing it. Ooh, pretty. They're probably where the vehicles are, so I'm gonna go check the vehicle section. Did they add another vehicle? Because if they did, that's pretty awesome. I know. Mini blow. That's Robux. Yikes. Wait, so how did he get that? Okay, whatever. Okay. I don't know where else you would be able to find that. But that's pretty awesome. Okay. Okay, got almond. We have 289, 289, 289. Oh my gosh. I got so much money from that. I got like I got 400 and something. 420 something. Is that the present? Where the heck is the present? Found the present! I'ma get it. You guys are losers. JK guys. Everybody's a winner. But this time I'm it. Sorry. I'm joking, okay? If you guys got that too. If you guys did not like what I said, I'm super sorry. I always get the present for some reason. Okie dokie. I'm gonna go here because it's also close to it. I know. I'm going to do this patch, and then I'm going to go to the place to buy shovels, even though I'm probably not going to have enough. But you know. Well, there is a snowstorm, and it's super bright, way too bright. Jeez. Once there was a snowstorm, basically a blizzard, and there was a present fallen, and I was like, where is it? Where is it? And I actually found it. I was pretty impressed. Wow, it comes out fast. Okay, so let's find the shoveling too. I'm not sure if you go in the middle, then you could get both of them. I know. Okay. Clothes, you don't have what I want. Because maybe they have this stuff in a shovel place. Oh, you could just jump. Damn. Well, you know what? I don't know where the shoveling center is, but is that it right there? Yeah, I don't think it is. Oh yeah, look, I'm shoveling both stone. Okay, this is impressive. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video right now. Comment down below what you have improved in this adventure that I want to know what you guys done. So tell me what your adventures has been in this game, because these adventures are extremely amazing. Like, they even have this cute little snowmobile thingy. Ooh, free thing. Yeah. No! Wait, is it actually getting? I need a prize. Guys, just press shift and you could go anywhere. Okay, then I won't. Someone, I think somebody already got the present. Well, now I'm sad. Or is that the present right there? No, that's not the present. Ooh, penguins. Open diamond frost. Oh, I need a code. I want that. Dang, is there? Wait, what? 185 minutes. Okay. You double the speed of tool. The shiny little guy will turn.